What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the C Sharp.net series. And in this video, we are looking at jagged arrays. The jagged arrays are a little different in implementation. It is shown like this. So, they are also 2D arrays, but their implementation are different. And there are a lot of advantage of using jagged array. First, if I tell you the advantages of rectangular arrays are they store in memory easily because they occupy less space and are faster. The jagged array has different advantages. The first one would be this. So this is the advantage of jagged array that we don't have to define the columns. So basically jagged arrays are an array of arrays, kind of like this. This is an array which is storing other arrays, and the other arrays can be of any length. Like following the definition of arrays, the jagged array also has a fixed length of whatever you have defined in the initialization. I have defined 2, so it has the fixed length of 2. But inside this array, the inner arrays can be of any length. It does not matter. So if I would show you like this, inside marks 0, I can store an array 12, 33, 66, 45, whatever. So I can store arrays inside jagged array like this. So that's why I have said that this jagged array is actually the array of arrays. If we want to print the marks, and you can understand it like this, in universities students can study different numbers of subjects. So one student would be studying 3 subjects for the semester and the other would be studying 5. So there can be different numbers of subjects. Now if I want the marks of 04, then what would happen? You can guess. Let's see what happens. So it's giving me an error that index was out of bound. So this is a popular error. This happens because I have chosen the first array 0, 1, 2 and 3. This has the maximum index of 3 and I have defined 4. That's why it was saying out of bound. If I change this to 1, this array has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 indexes. So it will bring me the fourth index. So this jagged array can be of different length. And the advantages of jagged array are you can give an entire array, so you can assign an entire array to an index. That's the second advantage. And the first advantage, as I have told you, that you can store different length of arrays. This array is length 4 and this array is length 6. You need to understand another thing, which is even if the indexes are 5 in this case, if I say marks 1 dot length, then it's giving me 6. But if we talk about indexes, then the max index this array has is 5. So 0 from 5. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.